These Faceless YouTube niches will change your life in 2026. Over the past few weeks, YouTube's algorithm has completely changed, and many niches that worked in 2025 are no longer working in 2026. A lot of channels are getting demonetized, and many of them are barely getting any views. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best niches that I'm running right now in 2026. Niches I've already monetized and I'm making money from every single day. For every of those niches, I'm going to explain why it works and how you also can start this niche, and how much I've already made trying this niche, because I try all the niches I'm going to break down in today's video. So if you want to make 2026 a very profitable year, monetize your channel and make money from YouTube and literally change your life, get to the next level, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get right in. So the first niche we are going to talk about is music niche. One thing most people don't know is 80% of people who use YouTube daily go there just to listen to music. And the coolest part is that today it is very possible to create both music and music videos using only AI tools. Take this channel here for example. It was created just 3 months ago and it has only 38 videos posted, and you can see he has over 70,000 subscribers, and yes, he's already monetized and he's making money. He has video with over 1 million views, another with 400,000 views, another one 200,000 views, 117,000 views, 160,000 views. That should give you a clear idea on how powerful this niche actually is. This specific channel focuses on jazz, but you could create a funk channel, a rap channel, an afrobeat channel, an amapiano channel, any style of music you can imagine. There's absolutely an audience for any type of music niche on the platform. So if I go to the channel I created this channel 7 months ago. I've been posting videos since 7 months, and you can see that with over 1.5 million views, I got $4,500. If you do the calculation, that's almost $2.5 per RPM. There are some videos that got $1 as RPM. There are other videos with $3 RPM, simply because these are longer videos. You can create longer videos, compilation of music. That's why you make more money, have more RPM with some video, and less with shorter music video like 2-3 minutes we usually see. So before we continue with the next niche, let me share with you the best tool ever that I use to create high quality thumbnails, to get more clicks, more views on my videos, to grow my channel faster and make money on YouTube. And this AI tool is called Clipkraft AI. Basically, it helps you turn simple ideas and prompt into high quality thumbnails ready for YouTube. There's a lot of option on this tool that you can use to create high quality thumbnails on your video to get more clicks. You can get inspired from other YouTube creators in your niche, get their thumbnails and inspired of it. Use this AI tool to create a new version using your own image. It is crazy. For example, alright, so once on the dashboard, this is how it looks like in action. Click on Thumbnail Studio and you have the first section, text to image. Insert a better prompt, describe what you want, and the AI tool is going to generate a thumbnail for you. The second one is YouTube URL. Copy any YouTube video and you have the thumbnail. First, you'll be able to download the thumbnail from this website, or simply click on analyze scene first, and the tool is going to analyze the thumbnail for you. So after that, you can now replicate the thumbnail with your own persona. How it works, they'll ask you to create a persona. Just add your own image, 3 to 5 of your image, and you have your persona, and replicate it like I did earlier. That's all. So on a dashboard, you can have also edit thumbnail. You can upload any thumbnail you already created before, and then use this tool to edit the thumbnail, make it perfect. You can do a lot of things. There's add text and shapes, adjust colors, a lot of things. So here you can see the create persona option. You can just create a persona before creating any thumbnail if you want. So on a plan, you have free plan. You have $5 startup plan with 500 credits every single month, $10 with 1,200 credit every single month. As you can see, we have the 20, the premium one with 2,600 credit every single month, and then we have the elite, $40, 7,500 credit every single month, and every download, every creation is 50 credit. So if you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. Click on it, sign up. It's going to help you a lot. Create high quality thumbnails, get more clicks, more views on your videos to grow your channel faster if you want to take YouTube seriously in 2020. So that is it for the music channel. The second niche I picked for you is a long form curiosity channel. I personally love this channel because it's extremely easy to produce. So here is the channel, Elemental channel. It's a very big channel, as you can see, with over 1 million subscribers and 450 plus video. And honestly, what impresses me the most about this channel is how simple the videos are to create. And if you look at this specific video, you'll notice that it's basically a bunch of background clips, okay, and they download these clips from stock website like Pixabay, Pixel, or generate high quality generated AI videos, and they get or create footage 100% for free, and they use ChatGPT to create a script for the video. All right, and when we look at Elemental's metrics, man, this is crazy. They have video with 170,000, 400,000, 200,000, 390,000, bro. If you check the top performing videos, they have several millions of views. There are video with 2 million views, 2 million views, like many 2 million views video. It is crazy, and these videos are extremely powerful on YouTube and relatively easy to produce. Okay, so about this niche, I didn't make any money with this niche because I'm still running this channel, but I haven't monetized it yet. Simple because it takes a lot of time to come up with ideas. This is about curiosity, so you need to be very creative, and it takes a lot of time for the ideas, the production, and everything. It takes time if you want to make it seriously, but if you want to go faster post like that, you can use AI tools to find video ideas. But I think if you want to create something on a long term, you need to spend the time on it and understand the niche very well and create very quality video, not using AI for 100% of the work. Okay, so that's for the second niche. The third niche I'm about to present to you in today's video is 2D animation. And look at how insane this channel is. With only 22 video posted, he has almost 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, and every single video they have uploaded has crazy long form metrics. They have video over 1 million views, 900,000 views, another 1 million views, another 700,000 views, 800,000 views, 600,000 views, and these are extremely high numbers for brand new long form channel. Crazy. And here's another channel with a very similar case with only 40 video posted. It has over 150,000 subscribers, and again the metrics are insane. 1 million views, half million views, 700,000 million views, and many others. To produce this video, we use ChatGPT to create a script, Leonardo AI to generate images, 11 Labs for voiceover, and many other tools. This is honestly very easy because you just spend 1 to 3 hours a day if you really want to create high quality content. And in fact, I've already made a video about this niche severally on my channel, and I made lately a video on how I made over $3,800 in 1 month on this niche. So that simply means I've already tried this niche several times. I made a lot of money from it. Go check it out. You see how much I made and how to create exactly those type of content. If you want me to create a step-by-step guide on how to create the first niche, step by step, how to launch the channel and everything, tell me in the comment section. As for the second niche, but for this one, I already made the full video about it, showing you step by step how to create the videos. Go watch it to help you a lot. And that is it for this video. So as you can see, wherever you are living right now, whether in Canada, USA, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, South Africa, what again, you can easily start a niche in 2025 and actually make money from it, and actually make decent amount from it that you can actually live on if you take it seriously and you focus on it. Do not give up. YouTube is worth it, and YouTube is a big business. There's much money on YouTube for everybody. Go take your part, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, it was Joshua, and hit that subscribe button.